So I decided to do the timer option. So on line 64, I'm just creating a little time text box and it will display the time in minutes and seconds, and then I'm setting the position to be in the top left corner. And then I'm also creating a clock called game clock, which will track the amount of time that it's passed. Then I also made a Boolean value of game one. So originally it starts as false because you haven't won the game yet, but once you win the game and you're done matching the cards, it'll switch to true. And then line 103, so this is how it's gonna check game one. It's gonna make sure all of the cards are matched here. And then it checks every single card, and then if it is matched, it will flip the value to true, and then it runs every time a match happens. And then so with each match that happens, it catches when the last pair of the cards is matched. That way the clock will stop running once that happens. And then we're gonna go to line 125. And then so this is checking if the game is not won, then we're just gonna keep counting up the time, and this is converting the seconds to be the minutes and seconds part. And then it's gonna rewrite the text on the screen. So then the moment that game one becomes true, then it will skip this entire block of code, so it won't execute this anymore because this is now, true. And then the final time will get displayed on the screen and it'll stay there in the corner. So let me show you. So here's the game. So it's starting, so let's quickly play. See how fast. Okay, so see the time is counting, and then once you're done, it stops counting.